Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. I your girl, Debbie from Down a Yard. Welcome you all my new subscribers. Welcome to the Jamaican cooking journey. Welcome to the Jamaican kitchen, you all. And most of all, welcome to the Jamaican food. Now, today I'm doing a video. It's an highly requested video. It's a video that never grows old, no matter what. And you know what happened? It's a video that a lot of people take and they do a lot of shittery with it, saying it's Jamaican and it's Jamaican. Now today I'm doing for you the Jamaican rice and peas from scratch. Jamaican rice and peas as Debbie Down a Yard know it for over 50 years. Let's proceed. Now, the ingredients that you're gonna need for this dish is peas. You're gonna need for herbs. You're gonna need some garlic. You're gonna need a piece of ginger, some fresh thyme, not dried thyme, fresh thyme family, and some scallion or green onions. You're gonna need a few pimento seeds, or you can also use some whole cloves. If you don't have pimento seeds, you can use a few whole cloves. You're gonna need a green scotch bonnet pepper, preferably. If you don't have the green and you have to use the ripe, it's okay, but choose the green over the ripe if it's fine. Reason, the green gives a different flavor. The ripe is hotter. You're putting it in there all, but in case it should burst, you won't get too much heat. So try to choose the green over the ripe. Now in this, a little proportion thing is gonna go on, but as we go along, you'll see what I'm talking about. Now right here I have 340 grams of red peas. Choose the peas or red kidney beans of, it's 340 grams or 12 ounces of round red peas. I've pre-soaked it and I'm gonna pour it into my pot right here. I'm gonna get my flame up. You have some people, family, that when they soak the peas, they proceed to throw off the water. Because they say, I don't know what they say the water do to it, but I don't think the water do them anything. I'm gonna show you what happened. It makes some people gassy, but it's not the water. It is this part here on the peas that makes them gassy. Get right in, camera girl. This outer little red part here, this is the part that makes you gassy. If you're a person that you have gassy, you have gassy intestine or something, use less peas. Use less in your rice and peas. Don't use a lot, okay y'all? Never proceed to throw off the water that you soak the peas in, because remember we wash the peas ahead of time and we leave it to soak. So when you throw off this water now, you're throwing off the strength of the peas. So our flame is up, and I'm gonna put, remember I told you, I'm gonna link for you though in the description how much peas, and I'm gonna show you as we go along the proportion. Now we're just gonna smash. I'm using 4 pegs of garlic. I use a lot of garlic. If you're not a person that loves a lot of garlic, you can use less, or if you don't want to use it, fine, but garlic gives the rice and peas this nice flavor. So I'm proceeding to use 4 pegs of garlic. If your pegs are bigger, you can probably use 3 pegs, right? So I'm doing this, and I want you all to get right in. I'm gonna give it a little rinse. Family, I want you to get right in on what I am doing. Okay, now that is there, and it's gonna come to a boil. Okay y'all, now I want to put a little twist to my rice and peas as I had known it in my earlier days coming up, as I tell you, as a little girl growing up in the rural part of Jamaica. And all of you old-time, long-time Jamaican who grew up in the country part, as you say, Jamaica, know this. I have 2 pieces of pigtail, about half a pound of pigtail. You could use salt beef or pigtail that I had washed and pre-soaked, that I'm not going to chop it, but I'm going to put it inside the rice, the peas here, sorry, and I'm going to proceed to cook it with the peas. Now I am choosing the method, the cooking method of pressuring. Pressuring is forced cooking. But if you're not pressuring, you can just go ahead, put it in your pot, put in your garlic as well. And it, as I told you, the pigtail is optional. If you want to use it, you use it. I'm just going to show you how it flavors up the rice and peas. And you could also use salt beef or corned beef. But it is something that is pickled to give it that flavor that we are talking about. Now, I am going to pour. I have my hot water here as usual, as I always told you. Now look at it. Remember, pressuring is forced cooking. So I'm just going to pour probably about a cup or a little less than a cup on top of what I have here. Because when pressuring, you don't need a lot of water. You just use enough to just merely cover the top of what you're doing. So now I am going to proceed to cover my pressure. As I told you, if you're not pressuring, you can just go ahead and use your pot, cook it on medium flame until it comes to the desired texture, soft and as though we would like it, okay? Alright, so I'm going to close my pressure, and about 15 minutes from the steam build up, not 15 minutes from I close it in a family, 15 minutes, I want you to get all in on what I'm saying, 15 minutes from the pressure builds up inside of it. And you know when the pressure builds up is when it starts firing off. So 15 minutes from when the pressure builds up inside of it. Okay, y'all? Now I am gonna show you how to go about getting your coconut milk done inside your blender, but that will be in another part, right? We have the coconut here and we have it cut up and all of that. So when we return, or when you see us next in the other part, you'll see how, while that is pressuring, we will be preparing our coconut milk, y'all. Okay?